What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to give you an awesome anxiety tip that you can start using today. It's free, okay, and it's natural. So go ahead and smash the like button down below if you're ready to kick anxiety in the butt. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you use this method. So guys, I touched base on this tip a long time ago on the channel, way back. You have to go back to where I had around 6,000-7,000 subscribers. So I wanted to make a new video on this. A lot of new subscribers, so a lot of you can benefit from it. In fact, a lot of people already are benefiting from it. Tons of testimonies you can find online. But guys, this is something that I've always gone back to whenever I've been overwhelmed. Yes, Trey Jones can still get overwhelmed and still have some anxious days. I don't have anxiety disorders, but I'm a normal human being with normal stressors in his life, okay? So today I was kind of caught up in some tasks that I needed to get done. Have a lot of various projects going on right now that I'm excited about, but they take a lot of work and a lot of concentration. It kind of got to me, so I felt a little anxious. So I went back to something that has always worked, and it kind of made me wonder, why do I not do this every single day? You need to get in the habit of trying this out. Now guys, what is this method? It is taking cold showers. I know it seems ironic. Some of you are thinking, wouldn't that make my anxiety much worse? No, it doesn't. Getting through the actual shower part is pretty rough, I'm not gonna lie, especially if you're not used to taking a cold shower. But immediately, whenever I get out of the shower, I feel a lot more calmer, a lot more focused, and a lot more relaxed, and my mood is enhanced. So crazy because it happens so fast. It's unbelievable, but trust me guys, try this out. You'll know what I'm talking about once the shower is over. So it helps me get throughout my day. It helps me get tasks done. I feel more concentrated even as I speak right now. It's amazing, and it lasts for a long time. Like I said, it is kind of hard to get through the shower, especially your first few times. You might not want to go all the way down to the coldest setting. Maybe start out a little colder than lukewarm, room temperature, and then work your way down as you progress through the days and try this out. You're gonna see some amazing effects. Now guys, there's tons of benefits that go with this. You know, there's fat loss benefits with this. Actually helps with the inflammation. It's amazing for your post-workout. Cold showers are just good for you in general, but they are really good at helping you with your depression, your anxiety, especially your panic attacks. I think about a method that I used a long time ago before I actually took cold showers, and I was pouring freezing cold water on my head when I would have a panic attack. Seems kind of weird, again, ironic, but it worked. It snapped me out of my panic attacks many times. It made me focus on the cold water and not the other irrational thoughts that I was having. So it was awesome, it worked. I wish I would have known about cold showers then, but it's something that I just find myself always going back to when I'm having a stressful day. And many of you can benefit. Studies have shown, guys, that it can actually work on our brain and our neurotransmitters in somewhat some of the same ways an antidepressant does, except it's natural, it's free, you aren't gonna get any side effects, and you're not gonna have any withdrawal symptoms when you get done with your cold shower, okay? So start trying this out. Hopefully this can help some of you guys. It's just another natural way of helping with your anxiety symptoms, the rough days, the very overwhelming ones. You don't have to do this every day to benefit from it. Save it for days that you're having the worst symptoms, you're having the worst episodes of anxiety. So guys, again, I hope this brought some value. It's kind of spur of the moment, kind of a random video, but cold showers can do amazing things for your anxiety. So try this out today. Guys, there are resources down below in the description. Make sure that you're taking advantage of those along with the tips that I give. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit that bell so you can get updates when I put these videos out. Like this video if you got value. Remember, leave me a comment down below and let me know if you have used this method. Guys, until next time, I will talk to you later. Keep fighting.